Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well maintained and move-in ready two-story family home for sale. It is located in Hellshire, St. Catherine, and sits on one-third acre of land. It offers generous living space and a versatile layout, ideal for comfortable family living and entertaining. It features six spacious bedrooms, including four with ensuite bathrooms, an additional full bathroom, a powder room, and a dedicated laundry and washroom. The property also includes a helper's quarters, a private studio that can be served as a guest room or provide potential rental income, and a home office and study. There are two welcoming living rooms, a formal dining area, and a wraparound terrace, boasting beautiful views of the sea. The enclosed garage accommodates two vehicles with space for an additional three cars on the driveway. The grounds features a lush, well maintained garden with fruit bearing trees, offering both charm and practicality. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million, US 507,000, Canadian 725.8 thousand, Euro 465.7 thousand, or 394.1 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.